everybody, Isabel Miller here, and today we're going to talk about fire alarms. That's right, kids. I'm going to tell you something important. Fire alarms are devices that'll save your life. If there's a fire, the smoke goes in the fire alarms, and suddenly the alarm starts to beep. That tells you there's a fire. And when you get out of your house, call 911. 911 can save your life too. And here's a fire alarm from my kitchen. See that next to the rooster? That's a fire alarm. There's some more over here if you want to see. On this corner, and over here in the hallway. On that corner too. And now, it's time for fire safety rules. Please write these down so you won't forget. Have a family escape plan. Test your smoke detector monthly. Practice the exit rails at home. Crawl low and smoke. Matches are tools for adults. Learn the ABCs of fire extinguishers. Do not open a door if handles are hot. If clothes are burning, stop, drop, and roll. Get out of a burning building. Call 911 in an emergency. Yes, if clothes are burning, stop, drop, and roll. Yep. So fire alarms are devices that'll save your life. I repeat, fire alarms are devices that'll save your life. And yes, fire people, like firefighters, can save your life too. And yes, that is a way. So remember the fire safety rules. Now, a sound you can live with. A sound you can live with. Test smoke alarms once a month. And yes, matches are a tool for adults. Now let's repeat fire safety rules. Have a family escape plan. Test your smoke detector monthly. And practice exit drills at home. Crawl low and smoke. Matches are a tool for adults. Learn the ABCs of fire extinguishers. Do not open a door if handles are hot. If clothes are burning, stop, drop, and roll. Get out and stay out of a burning building. Call 911 in an emergency. Yes, I repeat, get out and stay out of a burning building, and so you can't get burned. And when you do that, please call 911 in an emergency. Okay, I'm starting to go to my grandma's house. And now, please remember, stay calm with fire alarms, the best devices. See you later.